we have just unboxed the new S6 Solis Hybrid Inverter. This is the newest generation of Solis inverters, the S6 that replaces the well-known S5 that looks like this model. We had the S5 for over 10 years in the market. It was a very successful model, but right now we managed to get an improved version, and I will show you why the S6 that is available in 6 and 8 kilowatt at the moment is a better model. Let's remove the cover. It is an IP65 unit. You can see the rubber sealant here. But the thing that we liked the most when we opened this inverter for first time was the interface to the power cables and the communication cables. We don't have any special connectors anymore. We just feed the cables through the glands, and then we have all the terminals for the AC input, the backup, and the generator as open terminals. You can use your cables straight to the terminals. Again, the communication is now straight RJ45, and the PV, as you can see, the input here has two independent MPPT controllers. They are the well-known MC4 connectors. So from the installation point of view, this inverter is very, very easy and quick to set it up. We found also quite useful that they introduced a direct connection of the energy meter to the motherboard of the inverter. You don't need an external Istron meter or an equivalent one to measure the electricity of your property. You get this CT, which is 105 amps, and you connect it straight to this special port here. That is the CT port, as you can see. So again, another simplification that makes the installer's job much easier. We also noticed that the well-known screen it is adapted from the previous model, the S5, but the menu is quite different. You don't even need a big complicated manual to operate this inverter, because the new menu is quite easy to understand. It guides you straight to what operation you want to achieve with this inverter. Let's have a closer look. We know very well this screen. It's more or less the same like the S5 version, but when you enter the menu, you will see some really nice characteristics here. You don't need to read any codes. It's a self-explanatory. If you want to have, let's say, the storage mode, the self-use, or selling back to the grid or an off-grid, you can select it straight away. You can adjust the amount of energy that you export from 0 to maximum. And then the battery settings, extremely easy to select the battery that you like, Pylontech or whatever you have available. No battery if it is a grid operation, or even lead acid, the old technology. More explanation here about the ports. Again, very easy to read the menu and to select the settings that you want. And we have also the parallel operation in case you want to expand your system with multiple inverters in single or even a three-phase. It is completely flawless. You just select your configuration, enter, and the system is ready to go. And the parallel communication cable is available with the inverter. It comes in the package. And the last thing that we found, and it is quite interesting, is the heat pump settings. A lot of people now are using heat pumps. You may need to use this inverter to power the heat pump specific hours and dates using cheap electricity. So they created a special menu only for heat pumps. So this is the new Solis. We can also have here a quick look on the nameplate of the inverter. It has all the important characteristics of the unit. It's 230 volts, single phase, and at this side we have the DC switch for our solar panels. Very well made, solid aluminum heatsink, extremely low noise levels. There are some cooling fans at the bottom, but they work nearly silently. Only at extreme, let's say, temperatures, you will hear these fans spinning. So that's the new model. If you need any questions or you need help how to set it up, give us a call. Thank you.